Assalamualaikum. Hi guys. Hi to my supporters, to my followers, to all people watching this video. Today, like every month, I will show you my electrical bill for September 2021. Like before, every month I show you after I install solar system, my bill can reduce over 90% every month. Why I speak English? Because my follower, my supporters complain to me. My supporters, my followers around the world, around the Asia, and many of my supporters not understand Malay language. I'm Malay people. More video before I use Malay language to teach, to explain to my supporter, to my follower, to all netizens. But now I got a complaint by my supporters. Many of them don't know or not understand Malay language. So I try my best to speak English to give all my followers, all my supporters around the world, around the Asia, understand what message I try to give to you. What I try to teach you all. Sorry, my English not very well, not very good, but I try my best to speak English for all my supporters. And my house have 5 unit aircon, 2.5 horsepower, 3 unit, 2 horsepower, 1 unit, 1.5 horsepower, 1 unit. And now I only run 4 aircon. All aircon I run except 1.5 horsepower. And I will show you how solar system can reduce your bill and not charge your aircon watt to utility very much. So today 5 September 2021, this bill 2 days ago, I late to do this video because I'm on station. Alright, see, 3 September 2021, my bill, if I don't use solar, before I using solar, my bill, electrical bill or utility bill, around RM 360 to 500 every month. And after that, I install aircon. Many aircon I install because here my place in Port Dickson, Negeri Sembilan, Malaysia, very hot place, very hot. So I install many aircon, and my bill so expensive every month, around 1,200 RM to 1,800 RM. After I install many aircon to my house, my bill expensive. My utility bill around 1,200 until 1,800 every month. So I install solar system, and my bill, my utility bill, electrical bill reduce over 90%. So to this month September, my bill, you see, my bill only RM 22 ringgit 22 sen, only 22 ringgit. This bill ago I not pay. This a new bill for this date, 3 September 2021. My bill only 22 ringgit. So come on, I show you my aircon in my house, how solar system can reduce the bill. Okay, come. Before that, I will show you my aircon. Not my aircon, my solar panel. On the roof, my solar panel, I'm using 10 kilowatt, and price I install this panel solar around RM 97,000. RM ringgit Malaysia 97,000. And okay, I feel good. Okay, mana? Come. Okay, you see this aircon running 2.5 horsepower running. You see the fan running. That means compressor running. This is 2.5 horsepower aircon. We see the spec, the M. Alright, you see the M. Power input 1.84 kilowatt. Current 8.3 M. 8.3 M current. Very high M. Okay. I have another aircon 2.5. You listen that noise. The fan running. Fan running mean compressor run. Same 2.4 horsepower. Power input 1.84 kilowatt. Current 8.3 M. So these two aircon running, my utility meter will record 8.3 plus 8.3 around 16 M. 16.6 M. Okay, now we test. This is Climeter brand Kiritsu, very professional brand in the world. So I set M. See Anna, M. Come. In logic, my utility will record around 16 M, but you see macam mana? Okay, you see my utility record only 3.7. Oh, 3.7 only. 3.7 M only. Okay, come, I show you. What I am using in my house every day, like this. This. Alright. Anna, here Anna. This aircon 2.5 horsepower inverter. Now on the blue light. On this is aircon 2.5 also 5 inverter on running. Okay, this is my battery. And my aircon controlled by this inverter. My aircon controlled by this inverter. You see, no utility, only panels, solar panel and battery using. Washing machine. Ke mana? Television. Also television. Okay, this also aircon 2.5 horsepower. 2.5 horsepower. If logic, see here, I have, this is also 2.5 horsepower running 8.3 M times 3 around 24.9 M. Okay, come mana? Come in this room. This is my son and my daughter study room. Come. Still on aircon, you see? Alright, still on. Okay, no one. This around 6M plus 6M. If I using utility 100% utility power, my minimum current generate to my house now around 30.9 M for aircon only. For aircon only. But come, I show you for second time. Okay, come. Okay, come here. I use Swirl old model MBE 5K 48 volt. This model, old model. This okay, this good. Right, okay, this is my battery. This is my battery. Okay, running good. Okay, come, I will show you. I show you the current to my utility meter. Okay, now. Okay, come on. Okay, come. We test. Kyoritsu M ACM 0.6 M. 0.6 M. Utility not charge. 0.6 M. 0.6 M mean 99% my equipment now using solar system and not using utility. So this is proof. So this proof solar system can reduce my bill, my utility bill over 90%. Over 90%. Okay, I'm happy. I can spend my money more. Electrical bill around more than 1,000 every month now. Okay, I use solar, very good. I can reduce my bill. I can save my money more money I can save every month. So if you want install solar, want me, my company, my professional company install solar to your house, to your building, please contact number in this video. My price if you want install 1 kilowatt solar system, the price RM 15,000. I repeat, RM 15,000. If you want install 2 kilowatt, my price RM 25,000. 4 kilowatt RM 35,000. 6 kilowatt RM 60,000. 8 kilowatt RM 75,000. 10 kilowatt RM 97,000. 12 kilowatt RM 120,000. So that my price. If you are interested, want my company, my professional company install solar system in your house, please contact number below. Thank you watching this video. Thank you very much. I'm Muhammad Azrizal Aziman. I'm director of Mahbayu Engineering Malaysia Sdn Bhd. I'm electrical and solar professional Malaysia. Thank you. Bye bye.